What's the meaning of BBC English? BBC English. BBC English.
BBC English. BBC English. BBC English refers to a standardized form of English language that is typically spoken in the United Kingdom by broadcast journalists, newsreaders, and other presenters on the BBC. This type of English is characterized by its clear pronunciation, lack of regional accents or dialects, and adherence to grammatical rules. It is designed to be easily understood by a wide range of audiences, regardless of their geographical or cultural backgrounds. In addition to broadcasting, BBC English is often used in formal settings such as business meetings, academic discussions, and diplomatic negotiations. Overall, it is a widely recognized and respected form of the English language.